Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a poll in Discord. Polls are an excellent way to learn more about people's opinions, attitudes, and preferences. You can use a poll to receive honest feedback about a particular subject. If you're a member of the Discord community and want to hear more about other members' attitudes, you've come to the right place. Discord gives us 3 ways to create polls. You can create a new channel designated for polls, use a third-party website, or add a bot. But I will show you how to create a poll in a channel designated. Even though it may seem a bit more complicated due to the smaller screen, it's easy enough to create polls on Discord on Android, and there are multiple methods for it. The simplest way to create a poll in Discord that requires no additional tools is to use reactions. First, open Discord, tap on the server, then tap the 3 dots next to the server's name. Now, tap Create Channel. And then, name the channel or poll. Use a name related to the poll's topic. Then, tap Create. Now, customize the channel's permissions. Allow everyone to read messages and history and add reactions. Go back to the channel and enter the poll's text along with voting instructions, or tap on the left side here. Inform the people about the poll and ask to vote. Create a poll or question, then select the More Answers. After that, select Done. And that's all. If you're an Android user and want to hear the opinion of other channel members, you'll be happy to know that you can create polls in several ways. If you don't want to use other tools, you can create a new channel only for the poll and ask others to enter emojis for answers. Polls are a lot of fun, especially if you're a server manager. Learning how to create a poll on Discord allows you to get to know other members and find out more about their opinions on a particular topic. Regardless of the device, multiple methods for creating polls are at your disposal. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.